Good morning, fellas. Good morning, chat. Good morning. We are live. Happy hump day. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Black Coffee Trader in the house. Good morning. Timely Bible verse. Good morning. Touchdown. Timbo. Lawrence Harris. Good morning. Tech 111. Jake Dell Benson. Good morning, John. Jim O. Jim JB. Celeste. Chase. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I think Tradivate was having some issues this morning, guys. Costy. Good morning. Jack Wiley. Ace Undercover. Almighty. Eagle Eye. Ian Connor. Dabda. Frozen North, Niles, Almighty Trading, good morning. Mike, yeah, Ian Connor. All right, let's do this, chat. We had the overnight session, we cooked. We were great overnight session, man. I loved it. Lots and lots of longs. All right, we're chilling. We are chilling today. Oh, it's a great day, fellas. Do yourself a favor, go to sleep. I actually was up. I didn't go to bed until like basically right in here around, I don't even know, was it 2 o'clock-ish? I was up late trading. I mean, the trading, it was, price action was just really good. And I decided, you know what? When things are going well, you got to take advantage of it. So here we are. Tradivate. Oh, really? Is Tradivate sim is down? Both your feeds are down? I see. Oh, okay. I see. It is down. All right, well then don't trade, guys. Just don't trade. My data feed's probably working because I do I have a live account connected. All right, market. Yeah, don't trade, guys. Don't trade. Yeah, probably. Yeah, who on FOMC day. Now I'm really glad that I took all my trades in the overnight. Looks like we're going higher, fellas. Looks like we are ripping up through the 280s. I mean, I have no idea what to expect this morning. We've had such a crazy move higher. We've made a clear break above the 26,100s. I think we're just waiting until FOMC today to see what happens and go from there. I am locked out on all of my accounts except for Apex. So I'm not locked out of Apex. So we might take a trade on the Apex accounts. But What's silver doing? Oh, wow. Silver, very, very sideways. Let's see what we might, I don't know. I wouldn't be shocked if we go lower. But I mean, we've just gone higher overnight. I mean, we had some pullbacks, but it definitely feels like the market is entered kind of a only going higher mode is what it feels like. Hey, thank you, Sharuz. I'm locked out on Tradevate as well. Yeah, that's true, Niles. I guess that's true. Yeah, I don't know, Matty Matt. Hey, honestly, I made most of my money in the overnight session. Most of the money was made right here. This move from the 140s up through the 220s. I made all my money on Lucid, on Tradeify, on Take Profit Trader. And then I went long here at 11 o'clock and caught a lot of that move. I also traded a little bit of gold. Traded a little bit of gold as well on this move higher. So it was a combination of gold and NQ longs, but all of it long. I mean, just go long. All right, market going lower here. Man, I've got a cough this morning. It is so cold here in Florida. It's crazy. I know you guys are going to say it's, I know it's colder where you guys are at, but here in Florida, it just feels a little different when it gets cold. They're not working. Yeah, Tradevate is having issues this morning, Almighty Trading. Don't trade, guys. Don't trade. Yeah, I saw some pictures from Ohio that were negative 20 degrees this morning. Negative 20. I mean, I was feeling bad for myself because it was 41 degrees here in Florida, but I'm stuck in open positions on Tradevate. Wow. Well, Tanush, hopefully they make it right. I mean, I could see us retesting the 200s maybe here. I don't know. I mean, it's FOMC day. Anything is possible. We could see this thing just crash lower. I don't know. I think probably we're going to just go sideways, but did I trade silver? No, I did not trade any of the silver. It was either gold or NQ is what I traded. So all right, getting a bounce off the 220s. Let's see if this is going to do the V-shaped reversal move right back up. Let's see. Hey, thank you, Black Coffee. Thank you. I'm very content with. I'm not sure how smart it is to be taking trades now. I might I'm probably, if I see a good setup, I'll take it on my Apex accounts. All right, let's see. We just do another V-shaped reversal move. We did have a similar move like this yesterday, so let's see. Yeah, Longhorn, the live account is fine, but the prop firm account with Tradeabates are having issues. My Apex are Tradeabate, yes. I'm just saying if Tradeabate is back, I'll trade on Apex. Obviously, I won't trade if it's down, but wow, look at this. Back up we go. See if we get up through the VWAP here. Yeah, we're getting a pump. We're getting that V-shaped reversal move. We are getting that V-shaped move. The overnight highs, what are they? 340s? Overnight highs 345, 349. 349 is the overnight highs, so we could definitely be going there. Oh, really, Almighty? Yeah, there's something wrong. I would not get too excited. Yeah, I think it's Tradeabate. The Tradeabate prop firm data stuff is down, guys. Don't trade. I'm curious. Yeah. Oh. Wow, look at this. Ripping it right back up. Right back up. Man, I got a cough. All right, let's see, we rip back above it. I mean, I'm not really interested in, which I guess I can't take a trade. So I got to remember not to trade because it looks like my data feed is good, but it's actually not. So I got to remember. Yes. Thank you, Matty Matt. 90% off if you on Apex right now. Code NBT. Let's go. Thank you, Matty Matt. I want to see. I mean, if we rip back above the 330s, like 340s, then I mean, I think we look for longs. Might look for longs before that. It's pretty bullish. It's pretty bullish here. But we got to get above the 290s. I guess you guys got to let me know when Tradevate is back. You guys let me know when Tradevate is back up. How can I close my positions? Well, I'm not really sure that you can. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, wow, we did break above the 290s and right back down. What are we doing here, market? Yeah, I mean, Matt, honestly, I'm only going to trade if I see a really good setup, but yeah, I'm definitely not going to be aggressive. All right, here we go, ripping it, trying to get above that 300 now. Yeah, Tradeabate's having issues, lots of issues. Desire, because this, I have a live data feed. I have a live data feed that's connected currently. That's why price is working. That's why, yeah. We're struggling to get above the 300. Excuse me. We're struggling to get above the 300s here. Wow. Now we're pulling it right back down. Right back down to the to the 260s. Wow. This is why I'm so happy that I don't need to trade today. I don't need to trade today at all. We just be chilling. Wow, look at this deep pullback. This is looks like a reversal. All the way back down to the 240s. Could not break above the 300s. All the way back down. I know. Project X is probably dancing right now. They have their moment. My Apex banner is incorrect. Oh, thank you, Frozen North. Yeah, you're right. I need to wow, what a rip lower. Are we going to get a rip here higher or not? This could just dump straight down here. What's gold? What is gold doing? I've been trading. Yeah, the overnight session on gold, I actually had a lot of fun trading gold. I was literally trading gold with 1 micro on gold and making like $100 per trade. It was, I mean, 1 micro on gold. It's pretty nice. It was pretty nice. And we had some just great move, great price action. Gold is gold moving? Yeah, it is. Okay, what's silver doing? I mean, silver just continuing to go higher. It's crazy. I tell you what, gold and silver, I don't know when it's going to come back to earth. Gold and silver, maybe it won't, but it's crazy. It is crazy. Hey, TradeAbit is working again? Okay, thanks for letting me know, guys. So I could take a trade if I needed to. I'm not sure I should, but I could. So it sounds like TradeAbit is back. I want to be in the silver team like you guys. How can I apply? Honestly, I didn't trade silver, so I've enjoyed trading gold a lot more than silver, just because I can trade micros. Like I think the only prop firm that allows silver micros is Lucid. So it's just too volatile to trade minis. You can be down $2,000 just like that. Got long on gold last night, size too big, and got killed right before it ripped. No, black coffee, no. Oh, yeah, TradeAbit might be doing everybody a favor. Because yeah, this price action is not great. See if we can get a move going here higher. So, do you think it's delayed? I could disconnect my live and see how it looks. You know what? I actually think I need to. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how to. I'm not sure this is smart. Hang on. Yeah, this is now connected to TradeAbit prop. It definitely, we definitely are back. Yeah, this looks like we're going higher. Yep. It does look like the data is back. It does look good, or everything, it looks fine. But just be careful if you're going to trade. Be careful. Really, TradeAbit still not working for you or Ninja on TradeAbit web? It's not working for you, his words of truth? I see. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe wait a little bit longer. So it's not for you either? Okay. Top left isn't live. No, I think it's live. Everything's good because I'm comparing it with Top Step X. I'm comparing it. Everything looks the same. Is there an update status website to check trade debate? I don't think so. I'm not aware of it. So trades are not working. All right. Well, I'm not going to take any trades. I'm not taking any trades for now. Just know there's zero reason for me to trade. Zero reasons. Hey, good morning, Dad Nader. Yeah, we had a great overnight session. Great overnight session. I would take about 10 more of these overnight sessions in a row. That'd be pretty great. Yeah, good idea, Clarity. Hey, good morning, T-Count. The feed is working, but fills are messed up. Oh, okay, so the fills are still not right. Okay. Good to know. Yeah, don't trade then, guys. Don't trade. So trades are not working on Ninja. I see. It's back down again. Oh yeah, you're right. It just froze again. Yeah. All right. I'm going to switch back to the live feed. I need to disconnect all of my prop accounts. Yeah, I think Top Step X is working. Apex hides the flatten button on their site. I mean, it's not going to do you any good to try to flatten on their website. It's not going to help. I'm sure the prop firms will make it right. It's a known outage, so I'm sure things will get made right. Yeah, you guys this might be your lucky day because the price action hasn't been great. So all right, I'm going to reconnect. All right, market. It's just chopping around. Had 25 50K accounts auto renew from last month to the. No way, Jay Wilson. Oh. Oh no. I mean, you just gotta. I mean, you can try. I don't know. Just try, I guess. I don't know. It's breaking out? I don't think so. Man, this is very choppy open. We're not missing much. We are not missing much. Oh, that's All right, let's see. All right, right back down to the middle of the range here. 250s. Oh. Oh, you were looking at gold. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. It does look like it's going to break. Crazy that gold's at 5,300. It's crazy. Yep. Gold and silver is just on a whole different level. The flatten all button on Apex site. I mean, you can try it, but it's not going to help. Because it can't connect. The flatten all button is only really helpful if you are having issues. Like if it's just you having issues, not Tradevate. No, it's Tradeaways trying to save everybody from trading before FOMC. Man, this price action is nothing. Just going back and forth. Yeah, Tradevate. We should all thank Tradevate for not allowing us to trade. Now, I will say though, if Tradevate is down right now, that is not a good sign for this afternoon. If Tradevate is down now, then look out this afternoon. Be careful if you trade this afternoon at FOMC. Could be some major issues. What is silver doing? Oh, look at silver. Silver did one of those dip and rip moves. That's rough. Yeah, that's brutal. You gonna do a chargeback? I mean, Jay Wilson, you can do a chargeback and not win. You realize that, right? Because technically, if you do a chargeback, it's because you didn't get services that you paid for. And that's not what's happening. So you could try to charge back. You could get banned from Apex as a whole and still not have the chargeback go through. So be aware of that. I would not recommend that at all. I would not recommend it. But hey, but yeah, that really sucks, Jay Wilson. Man, look at this silver. Is gold break? Yep, gold is going to. Look at gold just ripping right back up through. Unbelievable. I mean, gold and silver are just it's on something else. It is something else. NQ, meanwhile, can't get out of its own way. Now look at this. Look at this price action, and then look at the overnight price action. I don't know why I even trade the New York session, honestly. Yeah, there is trade of 8 issues, Christopher. Yeah. Yes. Yes, indeed. So be careful. What business code do I use to file taxes? I'm not sure. I'm not sure anymore. I'm not sure. I'd have to go look. Did I trade the evening time or positions while I was asleep? No, I did. I didn't have any like positions open while I was sleeping. I basically was trading from 7 o'clock in the evening until like 1:30 at night. Yeah, it sounds like Trade of 8 is still having issues, so just be careful, guys. Don't press any buttons. Don't press any buttons right now. My family's okay with that. Hey, I mean, I obviously, I wasn't sitting in front of my computer the whole time. But yeah, when price action is good, then let's just say they don't mind if that's what it takes to make money, that no complaining. Harley trades. I moved to Take Profit Trader because Top Step was always going down. Guys, we found the problem. It's Harley trades. Harley trades is the problem. It wasn't Top Step and it wasn't trade. I'm just kidding, Harley. That's too bad. That is too bad. It's unfortunate. If you're going to the YouTube chat for tax advice, you might be cooked. Yes, we're all cooked. We just don't know it yet. But man, what a chop fest. What an absolute chop fest this morning. Did I tell you guys? I think I told you guys this yesterday. Maybe I didn't. If I forgot, anyway. Yeah. I lost my Top Step accounts on Monday. Pretty sad about that now. One of these, you know what? Somebody needs to remind me. I'm going to do this one of these. I'm going to do this. Not that I recommend it, but I wish now. I just wish. Oh no, gold and silver? What's happening? Oh, snap. Look at this fake out on gold. Aye. See, this is the problem with gold. Is silver? Oh my goodness, look at this. You know what? Let's trade some sim accounts. Why not? Let's do... I mean, this is crazy. Look at that. You were long, Cly? Oh, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm sad that I lost those Top Step accounts. Now, it was so, remember Monday when I was fighting the trend? Yeah, I was fighting the trend with the Top Step accounts, and they paid the price. And now I wish I had them for FOMC. And I always say this in hindsight, I'm like, man, I just need to go big size and just go aggressive, It's easy to say that once you've lost your accounts, but while you still have them, I'm like, nah, let's just be safe. But then I end up doing something stupid like Monday, And then I'm like, you know what? Might as well have YOLO'd it on FOMC or something. Copy trade trading sim silver. No, we're good. Look at gold and silver. What an absolute dump. Oh my goodness. That's the nightmare when if you get in at the wrong time, you are cooked. You are cooked, man. Man, silver is going parabolic. What's NQ doing? NQ not really doing much. Oh, Bassett, somebody was talking. I see. Yeah, there had to be news. Yep. Yeah, that is annoying, Clyde. That it's Apex manip to blow Brian out. Makes you wonder. No, I'm not. I'm sure. Your Ninja Trader data is completely froze. Yeah, Newts McBoots. Tradebait prop has issues. The only reason my feed is working is I have a connection to the live account. So that's the only reason it works. But man, look at this dump on silver and gold. Look, I mean, gold is not dumping quite as hard as silver. But man, if you get trapped in this move, look out below. You might as well just bend over and take it like a man. Man, I went swimming. When was it? I forget when we went to the pool. Went swimming and now I have swimmer's ear. And I struggle with swimmer's ear, and I get water in my ear, and then it's like my ear is, I don't know, it's closed, so then it's like I hear an echo of myself when I talk. It just drives me crazy. Hate it. If gold can break 5,300, watch 5242. Man, I'm tempted. Okay, guys, I think we could take do we take a long here on silver? Why not? Sim account only. At least I hope it's only the sim account. At least give us something to do. Let's see how much money we can lose on silver. NQ is going lower down through the 220s now. That is interesting. Are we going to double bottom here? You need those long wooden Q-tips and be very careful, but you can get. Really, Anderson? I mean, I have Q-tips and I've tried, but it just seems like I can't get to it. Hang on, let me revisit. Gold seems to be kind of recovering a little bit. Oh, we're cooked, chat. Hey, this sim account balance is 26 million. We made 10 million on it the other day, shorting silver, so we've got plenty of drawdown. We can DCA to oblivion. Turn your head sideways and shake for 45 minutes. Okay, Trade Ranger, hang on. Give me 45 minutes. Wait, mix some iso alcohol with water and squirt it in my ear. Does that actually work? I should have known. You guys are going to tell me to do all kinds of weird things now to my ear. Rubbing alcohol in my ear? That just sounds like a bad idea. NQ Soccer Mom, my data is working because I'm connected to a live account. They can kill you. Just buy a new one. YouTube doctors in the house. It absorbs water. Oh, I see what you mean. Flush it out with blue Gatorade. I like that idea. That sounds like some great advice. Peroxide is what I need. Oh boy. Let's see. What do I do? Peroxide, iso, alcohol, blue Gatorade. Let me think. Let me think about it. Right now, I feel like blue Gatorade seems like makes the most sense. Lay down with that ear up. It makes a fizzy, bubbly noise. Air horn. An air horn to the ear. I like that. So maybe if I put blue Gatorade in my ear and then hit it with an air horn. I'm gonna die. Oh man. Wow, look at that. NQ bouncing. Bouncy, bouncy. Silver. Are we going to get rich, chat? Or are we going to lose it all? Can you imagine actually trading a $26 million account? Like, can you imagine? It will go away by itself. Well, it's been 2 days, PHC. It's killing me. I hate it. I feel like maybe if I just do this for 45 minutes, I'm just going to look at you guys like this the rest of the session, chat. It's okay, chat. I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to look at you guys sideways. I think actually it's helping. It's hard to read chat. Tradebate is back. Newt says Tradebate is back. How did you get how did you get those trades if Tradebate is down? I traded the overnight session. Got all of them. It's like I'm reading in first grade reading here. It's weird to read sideways. The intraday drawdown limit on SIM is pretty reasonable. Hey, maybe I'm delusional. Maybe. See, guys, if you have $26 million account, look, you just buy more. See, it's too easy. Too easy. But I mean, I don't want to sound like I'm bragging or anything. Okay, so don't take this the wrong way. But I feel like if you would give me a $26 million account, I mean, I feel like I would do okay. I don't know. I think I could make it work. Every day, I would just go long with like 2 micros, and I would just keep buying 2 micros until we are green. I mean, the market only goes up, and 90% of the time, I'm going to be right. Like, that cannot be that hard. I'm serious. If you think about it, if you start with 2 micros, you start out the day you go long, you keep buying until eventually you end up green. I mean, it's like inevitable. Because look, chat, look at this. This is the daily chart. I mean, the market over the past how many decades, over time, the market goes higher, right? So you would be, as long as you wouldn't go too big size in the beginning, but okay, so imagine, for example, we would have started buying on this day with 2 micros, and about somewhere here, we would be about 1,000 micros deep, you know, but hey, we would have made money. 1,000 micros is how much? That would be 100 minis. I mean, that's not that bad. 26 milli. No problemo. Just saying, if you guys ever want me to start a hedge fund, that's my strategy. Just consider yourself warned. I mean, would we have been a maybe things would have gotten a little bit nervous somewhere around here. We probably would have had some sweaty moments, but you just got to believe. You just got to keep DCAing. Eventually, you'll be right. See, this is a perfect example. Look on silver. Look, we just DCA. See, we're already right. It's too easy. And here, people think hedge funds are some great traders. No, they just DCA like crazy. I'm going to trigger so many people. There's so many people that are going to get triggered by this. Yeah, I'm going to name it. I'm going to name it the Amish Hedge Fund. It's the hit and run fund. We hit, we run, and we DCA. I'm just going to call it the DCA Hedge Fund. The key is you got to start small. You know, as long as you start small, you're fine. RXHX, good morning. The vice man, yes, we'll find Joom and put him in charge. Have you ever applied the moon cycles to daily time frame? No, I have not. No, I've not. What do you mean the moon cycles? Only buy on full moons. Oh, dear Lord, help me now. Now you're going to make me search moons. Moon cycles. You know, every day, I keep telling my wife, I keep telling my wife this. Every day, I learn something new. My chat never disappoints. Every day, I learn something new. Today, I guess we're going to learn about the moon phases. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of a history lesson here. Don't worry, chat. We can DCA more. We got plenty more where this came from. Don't worry about the trade. All right, let me look. So 2025, full moon was on January 13th. All right, let's find January 13th. We're going to do some live back testing. All right, January 13th, right here. Oh, wow. I mean, it depends on when you would have sold, but if you bought on January 13th, 21,935s, we went all the way back up to the 980s. 921, I mean, that's almost 1,000 points. Okay, I think we can consider that a success. Okay, then we have February 12th. February 12th. I can't believe we're doing this, but oh, this is not going to end well. Benny Trades, I'm telling you right now, this is not going to end well. February 15th. That was right here at the very tippity top. You would have bought 23 140s. And we went all the way down to the 17,500s. But don't worry, it's just a flesh wound. A couple DCAs would have fixed that right away. Nothing a couple DCAs wouldn't fix. So we're 1 for 1, okay? We might have to abort this. All right, then we look at March 13th. All right, March 13th. This has hope. Oh, snap. We might have actually... Okay, March 13th was right here. So we would have bought at the 19,500s. I mean, this thing went parabolic. I don't know if we would have made up for our losses, though, but yeah, it's pretty accurate. Oh, wait, was that April? Oh, sorry. Sorry, chat. Wrong month. March 13th. You would have bought right here. You would have had a little bit of profit, and then you would have gotten absolutely smoked. All right. I don't want to look at every single month. Okay, what's silver doing? Do we need to DCA again? Nope, we're good. No DCA required, folks. We're fine, we're fine. All right, what's NQ doing? Well, hey, now we know. Now we know. From now on, if it's actually, when is full moon? Is it full moon right now? When is full moon? So looks like February 1st is full moon. Okay. February 1st, we go all in. Max size. February 1st. I like it. When my dog has an accident in the house, the market goes up. Back tested, 100% accurate. How is there a moon if the earth is flat? You know what? Today's kind of one of them days where we could possibly get into some flat earth arguments. We haven't had a flat earth argument in quite some time. So, I don't know. I'm kind of in the mood. There's a free moon indicator on TradingView. Please, please, for the love of God, please tell me that's not true. Please tell me that people are not taking trades based off of the moon cycles. Because I got news for you. Depending on what time zone you're in, what place and what area of the world you live, the moon phase is different. No, Benny Trades. I refuse to accept that people are that dumb. I'm just not going to go for it. I need to believe that us as a society, we got to be smarter than this. We're so cooked, chat. We are so done. Not if the earth is flat. Oh God. I'm going. I really want to know. Like, I kind of want to know, but I also don't want to know. Like, is there anyone in chat that like full-heartedly, with conviction, believes the earth is flat? I'm not sure I want to know. You know how they say innocence is bliss? That's kind of how I feel. I would prefer just to not know. Oh, I do. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I'm sorry I asked. Don't tell me, guys. No. You guys are all, you're, oh, please, no. I met a flat earther a couple months ago. He wouldn't shut up about it. It's easy. Guys, obviously, the earth has to be flat, because if the earth wasn't flat, if I pour water on my table, it would obviously fall off if the earth was round, right? Oh man, I'm gonna die. I am going to lose my brain cells. Yeah. It hurts my brain. It really does. It really hurts my brain. Oh man. Well, chat, I think we're lucky. I think everybody's lucky that Tradevate is down. How come we don't just fly off since the earth is spinning? Exactly, RX. Exactly. We would all just be flying off, right? And the earth is flat. That's why the market only goes up. Dude, you still got to see. I will to this day, I don't think I've ever witnessed something as that gave me as much satisfaction than when I was watching, and I talked about this in the past. And okay, let me give a disclaimer right now. Let me give a disclaimer right now before we dive into this a little bit too much. If you believe that the earth is flat, just at least for 15 minutes, just go to a different channel. Just click the little red X at the top right. Just leave, okay? I'm telling you, I know that you prefer to live in your little bubble, and you want to, it's a safe space for you, and I understand that. I don't want to ruin it for you, okay? I really don't. I'm not here to ruin it for you guys. So if you believe it's flat, just leave for 15 minutes and then come back, and we'll just pretend like nothing ever happened, okay? But the one guy that was a diehard flat earther, they did the Antarctic experiment, the 24-hour sun in Antarctica. I mean, this guy was on multiple different debates about how the earth is flat. He was so sure of it. And he went, and they actually went to Antarctica, and he actually witnessed the 24-hour sun in Antarctica and also at the North Pole, which is absolutely would be impossible to exist on a flat earth. So he went and he witnessed it, and the poor guy's, his life, his reality, everything, you could see everything changing in his head. Like it absolutely changed everything. It was crazy. But to his credit, and I give that guy a ton of credit, he actually came out and admitted that he was wrong. It was one of the only flat earthers I've ever seen that actually admitted that they were wrong. And he now is a big defender of the globe earth. And he does a lot of debates now with people that still believe in the flat earth. And I mean, it's crazy. It is crazy. Okay. Anyway, we're done discussing that now. We'll wait till the other guys come back, but we'll just pretend like, we didn't. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, John, I mean, I have mad respect for that guy, especially how vehemently, like he was so sure that he was right. But once he saw it with his own eyes, like I have mad respect for that guy for owning up to it. And he literally did a 180 and fully believe, and now his default response to people that think the earth is flat. He literally just tells them, you can literally prove it on your own. If you want to prove, just go to Antarctica, watch the 24-hour sun in Antarctica during the winter, and then during the summer, you can go and witness a 24-hour sun in the North Pole, and then explain how that happens on a flat earth. Hey, that's all he says. Not one person has ever come out with a theory that makes sense. Anyway, how did we get here? Yeah, I know design knob, but trust me. Oh man. Is Tradevate back? Is Tradevate still frozen? Because this is, I mean, I'm so happy I'm not having to trade or even think about trading here. Seems like it's back. Okay. All right. Sounds like it's back. Yeah, somehow we went from the Amish hedge funds to flat earth. I'm not sure how. All right, so it sounds like Tradevate is back up. Can I do 1 to 2 night streams a month where you get? I should, Niall. I actually thought about going live last night, just kind of out of the blue. Like, because last night I kind of got. I mean, I liked what I was seeing, and I was trading like up to 8. I was trading 8 micros. At some, for some of those setups, but no, I could, it's a little, it would be very sporadic, not really a timely way to do it, I guess. Your Tradevate still down? Yeah, the one thing, Take Profit Trader has never been really good with outages. They just kind of, they're like, oh, I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm, I don't know. I'm just glad that I'm not trading. All right, silver is stuck. NQ made new lows. We swept the 200s. Just enter trade and leave it streaming when you're not there. I mean, I could. My copy trader is Replicanto. I use Replicanto for my copy trading. Yes, we're actually meeting up. Me and Alpine are meeting up on the East Coast, in Hollywood, Florida, and me and Alpine are going to play some golf. It's going to be great. I can't wait. But it's going to be cold. It's going to be cold. So that's kind of unfortunate, but I don't know. It is what it is. I hate golfing when it's cold. When I golf and my hands are cold, oh, I hate it. All right, market trying to bounce off the 200s. Man, I have zero desire to trade this. Zero. If we were ripping higher, then maybe I would, but this, not at all. grab pine, get in an Uber, and go have lunch here. Well, oh, okay. Hang on, John. Let me look. Ah, I see. Whale's rib raw bar. I see. So where is this? This is in Deerfield. Deerfield Beach. Okay. So how far away is this from Hollywood? Why can't I not? Oh yeah, it's not that's not that far away. You know what? I need to get some golf reservations locked in. Oh man, this looks like a great place to golf. We might look at this. I think this might be the one. This might be the golf course we go to. That looks beautiful. Is it public? Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. It might not be public, though. Yeah, I might have to check that out, John. 20-minute ride. Sounds easy. I'm going to drive. I'm actually going to drive over, so I will have transportation. Man, NQ right back down. Hey, Pablo, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. This course is $500 a round. $500 for one round on this course? Okay, might have to run up my take profit trader accounts, and I'll take a payout before I leave. Oh, is it actually? Oh, you're just kidding. Okay. I mean, it is a nice course, but I didn't think it was that nice. Is it? I can't tell if it's public course or not. So it's $401. Oh, wow. Okay. I okayed the Doral Golf Course way back in 1980. It was awesome. You play. I see Ace Undercover. Awesome. Yeah, canceled a family vacation so we can play one round of golf. Oh, man. What's Silver doing? Oh, we look at. All right. Silver. Man, NQ's. It looks like we're going to go lower heading into FOMC. I don't know what are the expectations for FOMC? Is there a rate cut expectation? I don't know. I have not really been paying attention. Putt is cheaper. No rate cut. Okay. rates will stay the same. So if it's like a surprise rate cut, or they talk about rate cuts, we could see this thing go absolutely parabolic. No interest change likely. If not, one thing to remember with FOMC, one thing I've noticed is a lot of times at 2 o'clock, the move at 2 o'clock is really not that big of a move. The moves usually happen after 2:30 and after 3 o'clock. That's what I've discovered. Do you think they're bringing it down now in order to go up for FOMC? I don't know. I don't know, A. Morris. I think it's going to be a lot of big moves during FOMC. I wouldn't be shocked if we end up, I wouldn't be shocked if we take out the all-time highs on NQ. But also then wouldn't be shocked if we pull back after that. So I think it could be very choppy and very volatile. Up and down and up. Look what I just typed. Oh, okay, Benjamin. Thank you. Fed watch tool. Okay. The only rate I want cut is my rent. I'm not sure it is, guy. I mean, I think Tradevate is working again. I think. So it's still not stable. Yeah. Then don't trade it, guys. Yeah, I don't know. This just not tradable at the moment. Man, my ear is. I might actually go get me some of that iso alcohol and put it in my ear. This is driving me crazy. Oh, really, Gucci? You can't exit a trade and you're up 1,200? Yeah, that's frustrating. Hey, MM Cole, good morning. I don't know, Niles. Usually, again, I don't want to speak for anyone, but usually they allow you to keep your profits and they remove only the losses. But the only time they will remove profits and losses is if there was some manipulation going on where the entry prices and stuff wasn't realistic, and that could have resulted in some crazy profits. That's when they will remove, they'll remove that as well. But yeah, I don't know. I would feel pretty confident that things will get restored. You know how mad I would be if all the prop firms came out and said, we're just going to wipe today, overnight session included. I'd be I'd be so mad. I'm pretty sure they won't do that. All right, NQ made new lows, 170s. We're just slowly moving lower here. Look at my post. Oh, sorry, John. Oh, this is a condo building I rent in when I go to Deerfield Beach. Oh, okay. Very nice, John. Ooh, that's real nice. So, John, do you like Deerfield Beach better than Sarasota? I know you've been to both, or I think you have. Do you like them? Do you like that better? Man, that's crazy. A condo for 1.1 million. What is going on? That is crazy. It's got some very nice views though. Are you serious, Niles? Actually, you know what? That's also an issue because, especially with prop firms with consistency rules, like even if you have a really nice, like that can mess up your consistency rules when you are not able to exit your trades. So, wow. You like both sides, not married, no kids, go out late night. East Coast is open till 4 a.m. Yeah, okay. I see what you're saying, John. I understand what you're talking. I understand what you're saying. What size do I trade with my trading? So last night I was trading up to 8 micros. Actually, I think I took one trade with 10 micros. Usually I trade 2 to 4, but last night's price action, I was really liking it. I talked about this on my recap video of 2025. I talked about how when I see price action that I really like, that I want to start to be a little more aggressive and sizing up in those cases instead of, and make sure I size down when I'm, or not just don't trade at all when I don't like what I'm seeing. You'll buy me a beer. All right, John. Oh, on Tradeify? Yeah, so on Tradeify, I think I did 5 micros. How long have I been trading now? And what is I've been trading for 3 years, full time for 2 years. But I also have, I mean, I was a business owner before I went full time. And I also have other streams of income. I don't rely only on income from trading, but I have been profitable the last 2 years. You know what, guys? I'm going to lock out. I'm going to lock myself out of my Apex accounts. There's just no reason to even think about trading. I don't even want to be tempted. I don't even want to be tempted. Let's just lock out. And there you go. We are officially locked out of all accounts. We are done for the day. Let's go. We got visitors. We have visitors. You know what, guys? What is the silver account up to? I don't think it's up that much. Only 13,000. So anyway, guys, I have to go. I have to go, and I mean, I'm done trading for the day anyway. I think I'm just gonna call it and walk away, and we'll be back tomorrow. Be careful, guys. Be very careful trading FOMC, especially with the Trade of 8 accounts. If they're having issues now, then I can't imagine that it's going to get any better for FOMC. So be careful. Just be careful. All right, everybody. Thank you. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And we'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. And God bless.